This video will demonstrate how to safely assemble and disassemble your Omega Diamond Blue Ripper G2 saw. Start by removing the blade cover from your saw. Guide the threaded nose of the grinder into the spindle of the saw and rotate the blade hub clockwise to install the grinder. Engage the spindle lock by pressing this button here. Secure the motor with your velcro strap. Replace the blade cover. Steps to remove the motor. Step 1. Remove the handle. Step 2. Insert a rod to lock the spindle in place and use a 17mm wrench to loosen. And Step 3. Press the spindle lock here. Undo your velcro strap. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the spindle hub. To install the blade, place the blade on the spindle. And place the spindle hub on, turning clockwise. And simply put on your blade cover. To remove the blade cover, turn counterclockwise, and remove the spindle hub, and the saw will simply come right off. This concludes our video. Thank you for taking a few minutes to view this demonstration, and continue watching for additional how-to videos from your cutting blade experts at Omega Diamond.